Assalamu alaikum. I'm here again for you with the rest of the part of 2 Precis writing, in which we have discussed about the do's and don'ts of the Precis writing. In the last video, we have learned about the steps and main part of the Precis with some example sentences. So now let's discuss about the do's and don'ts. Here are some do's of Precis writing. Start your Precis with the main idea so that reader can quickly understand the essence of the Precis. He or she will know beforehand as to what should they expect in the written Precis. While writing a Precis, make a suitable environment where all the points can be described and discussed equally. As the main idea or the essence is established, you can follow it up with some methods, facts, points, etc. As a Precis is concise, compress and make sure that the length is available for you to retain the important data, keywords, and the concepts. Removing the irrelevant data or sentence is as important as writing the relevant points. Thus, identify the superfluous data and facts and keep the core idea of the work only in the Precis. If you are mentioning anything related to history or any historical data, then make sure that is written in the past tense only. Also remember to put the purpose as to why you are writing a Precis in the writing piece. This will help the reader understand what you wrote in the Precis. Now we have some don'ts of Precis writing. A Precis writing is a formal way of writing a shorter form of the given paragraph. So even though you have read and understood the Precis well, do not form your own opinions. You cannot insert your own remarks and criticism in a Precis. Always take the fact and data that is given in the paragraph only. Also, during a Precis writing, you cannot insert a question. If for any reason you need to insert, make it in the form of a statement. For a Precis writing, avoid using contractions and abbreviations. Write the full form of any given words only. Avoid being jerky. This will show that you have not understood the passage properly and have started writing a Precis. Precis writing is an art. You have to follow all the rules and steps for writing a Precis. Remember one thing, all persons are different, all have different vocabulary and different IQ level. The context and theme will be the same in Precis writing, but the wording and expression may differ from one another. No one can write the same at a time. So give your best, use rough pages, make drafts, cross-check is mandatory. Read again and again your final draft and make clear that it is better than other paragraphs. Remember in your prayers, stay safe, use masks, sanitize your hands and save your family. Your host, Advocate Sethi from Fakhre Wakalat.